Area pi r square. Perimeter 2 pi r.
Shettima Tutors. Cylinder volume is pi r squared h.
Hi there. So, want to solve, these are the questions. It says, how many cylindrical glasses, 6 centimeter in diameter and 10 centimeter deep, can be filled from a cylindrical jug, 10 centimeter in diameter and 18 centimeters deep? The volume of the cylinder is the base area, which is pi r squared, times height. So we want to draw the two cylinders. One is very big, 6 centimeter. These are the two cylinders. How many of this can you get from this? If you were to empty this water here, this liquid here, how many of this are you going to get? Of course, this is quite smaller. And when you've been told how many of this in this, you actually mean to divide in most cases. So if I ask you, how many 50 naira can you find in 100 naira? You do 100 divided by 50, which is 2. So that means that we'll find the volume of this and the volume of this and then divide. Volume is pi r squared h.
Shettima Tutors. Cylinder volume is pi r squared h.
Remember that our radius is half of a diameter, so this is going to be 3. So times 3 times 3 times 10. This gives, times the height. So the next thing is, you already know that you multiply this by this all over 7. So final answer is 282.86 centimeter cube. So that's for the smaller one. Now let's look for the volume of the jug and then divide both of them. So remember that our radius is 5 because diameter is 10. Radius is half of diameter, and then we apply this here. We do 7 times 5 times 18. Of course, 9,900 out of that. So I will give you 1429 centimeter cube. So the volume of the jug is this, and the volume of the cup is this. So this divided by this. 4.99, 4.99. This is approximately 5. So you're going to get 5 of this when you empty the water here. Very simple.
Shettima Tutors. Cylinder volume is pi r squared h.
So imagine if this were to be a complete cylinder. That means here and here are all the same size and not like a 4-strong. Imagine. And then this is the smaller cylinder. Imagine this is also a cylinder having the same size of circular part above and below. So how many do I have to empty? It says 5. Let's see it. 1, 2, there you go, 3, 4, and 5. Exactly 5.